Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're coming to you from beautiful Lee County, Florida. We are in the town of Lehigh Acres in southwest Florida. Here we got a beautiful 0.23 of an acre. The lot behind me is 1913 Holyoke Avenue here in beautiful Lehigh Acres. And again, it is a 0.23 of an acre. It's going to be 80 foot across the front and back, 125 foot down either side. Makes that a 10,000 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Lehigh Acres. You got a paved road here. You got power up overhead. You got homes all in the neighborhood. There's probably 6 or 7 new construction homes just within a block of us here, and we'll show you that in the drive around. This part of the Lehigh Acres, the Greenbrier area, is exploding with new homes and new families moving into this area, and we'll show you that as we drive around. As we pulled in, we just saw cars new construction everywhere going on. Put the drone up, and it was just new construction all around us here. So sooner or later, it's definitely going to come to this area here, right here at Holyoke. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. Again, the taxes on this property are $245.23 a year. Very low carrying cost for this community here. It is a well and septic property at this time. I did not see any city water in the area, but majority of these homes are all well and septic anyways. So you will have to install a well and septic when you do build at this property. The location's outstanding on this property. You're just 5 minutes off of State Road 80, which is actually Palm Beach Boulevard, and that'll take you all the way out to Fort Myers Beach in less than an hour. If you wanted to go out to the beach and get your toes in the sand at beautiful Fort Myers Beach. You're just 10 minutes south of the Caloosahatchee River. There's a beautiful park up there that you can utilize the river there. Kayak, boat, whatever you want to do. Just about 10 to 15 minutes up the road here, right off of Palm Beach Boulevard. Again, you're about 20 minutes just northeast of the downtown Lehigh Acres area. So you can have all kinds of shops and dining down just 20 minutes from you here. But also the Palm Beach Boulevard that is just north of us by about 5 minutes. It has all kinds of dining, your CVS's, your Walmarts, your Wawas, all of that stuff, just 10 minutes. So you got some great location on this beautiful property here. Again, if you're going to you win this at auction, you want to fly in and kind of take a look at all of the stuff we're telling you about. Check out the Fort Myers, the new river walk they have there on the Caloosahatchee River is outstanding. If you want to check that out, you want to fly into the Southwest Florida International Airport. That's just 35 minutes to our southwest from this location. So again, let's go ahead and show you 1913 Holyoke Avenue. As you can see behind me, the easements are taken care of by the county. Again, you got power up overhead. The lot does grade down a little bit and then levels off perfectly. We did walk around. We weren't able to walk around the whole thing, but we did get to a couple to the center of it, and we're going to try to get through there and kind of show you some footage of it. But we did get a lot of drone footage for you, so that'll give you definitely a good lay of the land. So let's go ahead and show you the 80 foot across the front of your lot here at 1913 Holyoke Avenue here in Lehigh Acres, and we'll see you there. All right, we just showed you the 80 foot across the front of your lot here at 1913 Holyoke Avenue here in Lehigh Acres. We're in the southeast corner of your property, and you can see all this is your lot here. As you can see, a lot of nice pine trees on here. Got a lot of nice, I'm not sure the official name of these trees, but I just call them paper trees. That's what I called them since I was a kid. But you do have a lot of those. You got a lot of the standing palms here as well. Again, it looks like we'll be able to get maybe back to the middle of the lot there. But after that, it looks like it's too many palm trees and a little too overgrown for actual good video footage. So we'll get back there in just a minute. But you can see here a lot of construction going on. You can see there's one block over. You have, looks like there's about 5 or 6 to 7 brand new homes that they built right over there. So everything is definitely migrating toward this lot and toward this area. They do have power overhead. So just a matter of time before they start moving and building in here. And I guarantee these lots that are one block over, with the new construction on, they're probably selling anywhere from the $15,000 to $25,000 range, depending on how big it is. And we'll show you that when we drive around. So now let's go back as much as we possibly can, 125 foot to the back corner, and we'll see you there. Here we are. We made it to about the middle of the lot. As you can see, you got a lot of these big palm trees behind me, and these paper trees, I call them. But you got a lot of beautiful palm trees. Just a couple trees and things that kind of fell over back there, and it's kind of a little difficult to get back there. You got a lot of vines and everything, but this was kind of the safest area for us to go, so we can actually get a little bit of footage from the inside of the lot. You can see you got a lot of beautiful pine trees, and I don't see too many oaks on this property, but you do have these little paper trees, which is excellent. Got a great tree right here. Nothing fell over. It looks like that's been old and there for a while. But again, it's very level lot, very dry lot. As you can see, when we show you, we drive around here. A lot of the canals that are around the area here are completely full because we did get a lot of rain over here. In the last week, we had basically had a hurricane travel right by us here, so we did get days and days of rain, and this lot is very dry as we could get around, as much as we could get around to. So let's get back up to the front of the property here at 1913 Holyoke Avenue in Lehigh Acres, Florida, and we'll see you at the front. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our beautiful lot here in beautiful Lehigh Acres, Florida. Again, wait till you see the drive around and see how much action and activity is going on in this area with the building that's going on. Definitely, I believe it's Adams Homes is in this area, just building left and right in the Greenbrier subdivision here. It's a beautiful lot here. Too bad we couldn't get back in there too much more, but you can see from the video footage that the center of it, the beginning, probably first 20 to 30 foot of it, was nice and kind of wide open, but after that, it just kind of got all kind of trees and vines and all kinds of other stuff. But it wouldn't take much to clean this property up, get it ready to build on. As you can see, when we drive around the neighborhood, you're going to see a lot of new construction going on. Again, we're at 1913 Holyoke Avenue here in beautiful Lehigh Acres, Florida. It's a 0.23 of an acre. 80 foot across the front and back, 125 foot down either side, makes this a 10,000 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Lehigh Acres. Taxes are low at $245.23 a year. It is a well and septic property. You got a paved road in front of us here. You got power up overhead. And you see the county maintains the easements on either side here. Got a nice, beautiful level lot there. Tons of construction going on. A lot of activity in this community. And again, it's just a matter of time. As you can see when we show you the drone footage and the maps, just everything's just slowly, the urban sprawl is slowly coming this way, closer to the west. So sooner or later, you're going to have builders left and right here building on Holyoke Avenue here. Again, you're just 5 minutes off of State Road 80, which is Palm Beach Boulevard. That'll take you all the way out to Fort Myers Beach. If you stayed on that for about 45 minutes, it'll run you right into Fort Myers Beach. It'll take you right past the beautiful Fort Myers River Walk that you definitely got to check out if you do come to this area. That's one of my fun areas that I like to go to. You're just 10 minutes just south of the Caloosahatchee River. So if you have a boat, kayak, a paddleboard, anything you want to do there, they have a beautiful park that's just up here about 10 minutes that you can access the Caloosahatchee River that flows out into the bay there. Again, you're just 20 minutes north, I'd say northwest of the downtown Lehigh Acres area. So that'll have all of your shopping, everything you can think of, all your malls and everything like that. But also up on State Road 80, which is Palm Beach Boulevard, you'll have a lot of the Wawas and CVS's and gas stations as well. All your restaurants just about 5 minutes to the north of us. So you got a great location on this property. And again, that's why all this building, the construction is going on in this area. Just the urban sprawl is coming out. So get ahead of the game here. There's definitely some great value in this lot here. Again, we're at 1913 Holyoke Avenue in Lehigh Acres, Florida. 10,000 square foot buildable lot. There's no time limit to build on this. There's no maintenance required whatsoever. You just pay the taxes of $245.23 a year, and that is it. Also, I forgot to say, if you purchase this tonight at auction, you want to fly in and take a look at everything, you want to fly into the Southwest Florida International Airport, and that's just about 35 minutes right behind me to the west. So you could be here and enjoying everything here less than an hour. So again, 1913 Holyoke Avenue in Lehigh Acres, Florida. Good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.